Hi, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the introduction part of WPF application development using Visual Studio 2022. So here you can see here when you click new project, when you open the Visual Studio, you can see here create new project here. This is the window you will be able to get in. So here you can see here the option C sharp. If you want to select any other languages, you can click here, and in a drop down you can select the language what you need. At the moment we are selected C sharp. So why we have developing the WPF application using C sharp, right? So C sharp, this is the Windows application. If it is a WPF, you can select as desktop. Okay, desktop means this is a desktop application WPF. Okay, this one should be the Windows Phone. Okay, this Windows Phone you have an idea, but WPF if you don't have any idea, yes, you can select WPF. Okay, this you can able to create the attractive user interface using WPF application rather than compared to Windows Phone. Select the WPF application, click next. Here you can give the project name. I'm going to create WPF application. Application. You can give whatever name. Okay, right. It will be created. If you want, you can give the location where you want to save this project. You can click here, browse and give the location where you need to save your project. Right. So click next. Now your project is creating. Okay, you can click create. You have to wait until the project has been created. After open the screen, you can see here. After that, you can see here. This is the window. It is look like this blank form. Okay, here blank design, WPF design. It's look at here. This one should be the design. This is a XML file. Here all the things you are designed as a XML file. Inside the grid, you will be able to create the labels and everything. Right now, here also the same like a Windows form. You have a toolbox. Here also you will be able to drop the tools. Here all the tools are there. If you want to drag the tool, I'm going to drag the tool as label. So select the label and drag it over here. Here the labels should be dragged. Now you can see the inside the XML file here. This is the label code it will be written. Okay, but the label you can return the label display code it will be written over here. Okay, so this is the Windows the title main window, height and width of the design. This design, right? WPF design. Okay, here Windows form the WPF. So here this one should be the height and width. Now if you want the title, it default come as main window. If you want to change this one as a first application, first app. The user title as first app. What's the problem? Alright, sorry. First app. You can see here. The name would be changed as a first app. Okay, this is how we have changed the name. Uh, right now I already drag the label. You can see if you click the label, you can see here the label is dragged. Now if you want to change the text here also you can change the text label content. Here you will be able to change the text here. Change the text as hello world. Just an hello world. It will be changed. Right. Otherwise you have many choices. Right click, your edit text. Here also you will be able to change the text. Okay, now after change the text here, here I want to increase the font size and all the things. You right click same thing like a Windows form, go to the properties. Here also if you go to the properties window, you will be able to see all the things, right? So here right, I am going to right. So here this is the text. You can see the text property. You will be able to change the font size. You will be able to change the font size what you need. You have to change this font size as well. Font family, you will be able to change the font family as well. If you click the drop down, and you will be able to change the font family. Okay, it's very simple, but you will be able to change the font family here. It's there. If you change it will be changed. After that, if you want to change the font size, font color, there will be the property which is a brush. You go to the brush here where you will be able to change the background color. Okay, only this is the size of your label. the background color will be, you will be able to change the background color. Okay, I leave as it is. I want to change the color as a foreground color. So foreground color, if you want to change the foreground color, here there will be another property which is a foreground. Click on this one, default come as black. If you want to change the any other color, click on here. Here you will be able to change. Here if you click here, it will be the property you will be able to change. I want to keep it as uh, red, so I'm going to make it as a dark red. You have to choose like this. Perfect. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the font size a little bit bigger, 48. Right, perfect. You can make the alignment look like this. Right, perfect. This would be perfect. Right, this is how you have to do the things. Right, here all the things you have to make like this. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the application. This is a WPF application. If you want to run this application, you just click on this one, this play button. Now it will be running. Your application is running. You can see that your application is running here. All things are running. You can now you will be able to see your application is running. Here you will be able to get it the screen. Okay, this is the first things. This is how we have to make the simple application in WPF application. Uh, this is I hope you guys will understood things well. So here you will be able to make any things of the window. Here also you can able to click on the windows and you will be able to go to the properties. Here also this is the window. Window you will be background color, all things you will be able to change here. Okay, click the background, here layout, here all things are there. Here you will be able to change the things as well, right? So here this you will be able to change the size, color and everything. Here background, if you want to make the background color of the form, here all things you will be able to change. Right. Perfect. uh, I hope I'll be seeing in my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.